Evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku, in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, February the 20th, 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle, the three-stars Sudoku. Turns out this is a 0 stars, not a 3 stars, but a 0 stars puzzle publisher. We have 3 puzzles left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and the 4 stars Sudoku. I've already started with this one, but I forgot to press the record button on the camera, so I need to start again. But yeah, this will be number 8042 with 24 printed digits, and it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one. We have here 3 2s. We have here 1 3. We have here 3 4s. 3 4 5s. All right, 4 5s. 1 2 6s, 7s, 3 7s, 4 8s. All right, and 3 9s. So the 5s and the 8s are in majority. Can I start with the 5? 5 5 here, 5 there, 5 5 5 here, 5 there, 5 5 5. Well, it will be difficult with the 5. How about the 8s? 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. We have here 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 in these 2 boxes here, and 8 in the middle row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. And 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. So the only place left, 8 should be there. Alright. Then how about these? Wait. We have a pair. 4 and a 6 in this row. 4 and a 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. First row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there in this big square. Here or there, we see another 7 in the third column. No 7 in the only place left is 7 should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oh wait, 7 in this row. 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left is 7 should be there. And now 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. 7 in the last row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left, the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Yeah, 7 in the second column, no 7 there. The only place left is 7. Should be there. Right. And now. Well. Let me see. Need 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left with 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. And look, we have 6 and a 9 in this column. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third row for number 3. 9, 9. Okay. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 6, 6. Come on. 8, 8. 8. Need a 7 here. How about 5? No 1. I need a 4 here. 4. Yeah. Need a 2. How about a 2 here? 2. 3, 4, 6. Need a 6 here. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 4 and a 6. We have 4 and a 6 in this big square, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in the second column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and 8. That means 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. Well, there's a lot of pairs in this puzzle. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 1 and a 5. Yeah. 5. How about need a 4 here. 4. No 5 here. 5. Need a 5 there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 5. Go here, go there. Same for this 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, first row, the only 2 places left for the 5. Go here. Here we have a 5. Here we have a 5. That means in the middle column, the 5 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Well, here can be a 5. It's reserved for the 2 and the 3. So the only place left for 5 should be there. And 1 box left now in this row for number 1. Okay, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. And look, we have 1 and 4 in this column, so no 1 and 4 in this box. 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Alright. 1 and 4, okay. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now in this last column, so no 5 there. 5, should be there. 2, 3, need a 6 here. Okay. So we, wait. Need a 5 here. Okay. How about 8, need a 8, yeah. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need 8 there. Alright. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and the 4. Okay. How about need a 4 here. Yeah. Well, we have a pair. The 4 and the 6 in this column. The 4 and the 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Alright, so we need a 3 here. 1 and a 4. Okay. 3 and 8. We have a 3 now in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in the third column. First column. 8 in the second column. So the third column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Number 8. I want the 7s. No, need a 7 there. Yeah. So 3 missing numbers in this big square. These 2 missing numbers are in the first column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 2 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above from that row, the only place left on the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright, 1 box left now in this big square for number 1 is missing. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4 then. Alright, 4 and 6, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the last column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the 1. The 1 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. We have a pair here. We have a pair there. So 1 is left in this big square for the 1. The 1, the 2, and the 3. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. Need a 6 there. Alright, and now 2, 3, 1, 5. 4 to 6. We have a 4 now in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left, and the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left, and the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. Okay. 1 box left now in the first row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1. 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Yeah. We need a 2 here. Need a 7 and 1. Okay. Then. How about needed 2 here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. And the middle column, the only place left the 4 should be there, and I've eliminated there the 7, so the 7 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4. Okay, 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. The 5 in this column, the 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And 1 box left in this column for the other one, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in the second, in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, other numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. No, 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7. Correction. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 7 goes there. Finish in for 60 minutes. Well. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.